How you feeling, girl?
Welcome to the party, Mr. Shaw.
How you feeling? Okay. You over with it? You feel better? You feel better? Well, that was interesting.